Welcome to our comprehensive guide on effective corporate training practices. In today's fast paced business world, the need for strategic and impactful corporate training has never been greater. We'll explore various training methods, understand the importance of employee engagement, and discover key techniques for skill development. Corporate training is more than just acquiring new skills. It's about fostering a culture of continuous learning and growth. Effective training can lead to higher employee satisfaction, improved performance, and greater success for the organization. We'll delve into the evolution of training methods, from traditional classrooms to innovative e-learning platforms, highlighting their benefits and challenges. This journey will not only provide insights into best practices, but also offer practical tips and real life examples. Together, we'll see how effective corporate training can transform careers and drive organizational success. Stay with us as we navigate the complexities of corporate training, ensuring that by the end, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and tools to make a significant impact in your professional environment. Let's get started on this enlightening journey. Corporate training has come a long way. What started in traditional classroom settings has evolved into sophisticated e-learning platforms and interactive virtual reality experiences. Initially, training was all about structured classrooms and intensive workshops. Moving forward, we saw the rise of seminars and on-the-job training, focusing more on practical applications. The digital revolution brought transformative changes, introducing online courses and flexible learning schedules. However, these advancements also brought challenges, adapting to new technologies, ensuring engagement, and measuring effectiveness. We'll delve deeper into how these methods have changed, the obstacles encountered, and the innovative ways companies have addressed these issues. As we journey through the history and evolution of corporate training, we aim to provide you with a comprehensive understanding. Next, we'll examine traditional training methods and their long-standing impact on corporate learning. Traditional training methods like classroom training, workshops, and on-the-job training have been the backbone of corporate training for decades. Classroom training offers a structured environment for learning from experienced instructors, engaging in discussions, and collaborating with peers. Workshops and seminars provide opportunities for hands-on learning and networking, allowing employees to gain practical skills and knowledge that can be immediately applied. On-the-job training immerses employees in real-world scenarios, offering them the chance to learn through direct experience and mentorship. These traditional methods have proven their effectiveness, building foundational skills and fostering a culture of continuous learning. However, these methods also come with challenges, ranging from logistical issues to varied learning paces and styles among employees. Companies must remain flexible and open to integrating modern methods with traditional approaches to create a well-rounded training program. As we move forward, you'll see how blending traditional methods with innovative techniques can drive substantial improvements in corporate training outcomes. Modern training methods have revolutionized corporate training, transforming how we learn and develop skills. E-learning platforms have made education more accessible and flexible, allowing employees to learn at their own pace. With virtual reality training, employees can immerse themselves in realistic scenarios, enhancing their practical knowledge and experience. Blended learning combines online resources with in-person instruction, offering a balanced approach. These innovative methods improve engagement and significantly enhance knowledge retention and application. Let's explore the next key aspect of effective corporate training: employee engagement. Discover how keeping employees motivated and involved can make a dramatic difference in their learning outcomes. Employee engagement is a cornerstone of successful training programs. When employees are actively involved, the learning experience becomes more effective. Interactive sessions are powerful in keeping learners engaged, encouraging participation and discussions to help relate to the material. Gamification transforms training into engaging games, increasing motivation and retention. Real-life examples provide tangible proof of the training's applicability to everyday work scenarios. Consider a company that revamped their training programs using these methods. Their employees reported higher satisfaction, and showed a marked improvement in performance. Engaged employees are better learners, more likely to apply what they've learned, leading to overall organizational success. Next, we'll explore identifying skill gaps and creating personalized training plans to ensure continuous employee growth. In the ever-evolving landscape of corporate training, honing skills is paramount to staying ahead. Identifying skill gaps is the first crucial step, allowing you to pinpoint areas needing improvement. Once these gaps are clear, personalized training plans can be tailored to meet the individual needs of each employee, ensuring a more targeted and effective learning experience. Continuous learning is vital, keeping your team updated with the latest trends and advancements. This pursuit of knowledge fosters a culture of growth and adaptability. By implementing these strategies, you enhance skill development and empower your workforce to reach new heights of productivity and innovation. Next, we'll explore the challenges faced in corporate training and how to overcome them, ensuring a smooth pathway to success. Corporate training comes with its unique set of challenges, from budget constraints and lack of management support to resistance from employees. These obstacles can derail the best training programs. Understanding these challenges is the first step to overcoming them. Budget constraints can limit access to high-quality training resources. Employee pushback might stem from seeing training as a burden, leading to low engagement and poor outcomes. But don't lose heart. Real-life case studies show that with the right strategies, these hurdles can be effectively managed. Creative funding solutions and management buy-in can alleviate financial pressures. Fostering a culture that values continuous learning can transform employee attitudes. We'll delve into proven methods to overcome these training challenges. Through real-life examples, we'll explore how companies have successfully navigated these obstacles and improved their training outcomes. Implementing best practices in corporate training can make a remarkable difference in your organization's success. We'll uncover some of the most effective training practices that have transformed companies around the globe. Drawing from real-world success stories, we'll see how businesses have harnessed these methods to enhance productivity and employee satisfaction. Industry experts will share invaluable insights into what works best in today's corporate training landscape. Their experiences and recommendations will guide you in adopting practices that lead to significant improvements in your training programs. We'll explore various methods to engage employees, ensuring that training sessions are not only informative, but also highly interactive and enjoyable. Whether it's through gamification, interactive workshops, or personalized learning plans, there are numerous ways to keep your team motivated and invested in their growth. Discover the best practices to elevate your corporate training efforts to new heights. In today's fast-paced corporate world, technology has fundamentally transformed the landscape of training. From AI-driven platforms that personalize learning experiences to immersive virtual reality environments, the potential for enhanced learning and development is boundless. These advancements have streamlined the training process, making it more engaging and effective. Imagine practicing complex tasks in a virtual setting before ever stepping foot in the real world. That's the power of technology. As we delve deeper, we'll uncover how these innovations are reshaping training programs and explore emerging trends poised to revolutionize the future of corporate learning. Stay with us as we explore the exciting intersection of technology and training and see how you can leverage these tools to elevate your organization's training initiatives. Measuring the effectiveness of training programs is crucial for driving continuous improvement. It enables companies to understand whether their investments in training are delivering the desired outcomes. Key metrics such as employee retention rates, productivity levels, and engagement scores provide valuable insights into training impact. Evaluation methods like surveys, quizzes, and performance assessments help gather data on these metrics. Feedback from employees on their training experiences can uncover areas for enhancement and innovation. By regularly assessing the effectiveness of training programs, organizations can make data-driven decisions to refine their strategies. This dynamic approach not only enhances skill development, but also fosters a culture of learning and growth within the organization. Next, you'll see real-life examples of how companies have successfully implemented these measurement methods to enhance their training programs. Meet John, a corporate employee who transformed his career through effective training. John's story begins with a desire to advance his skills and maximize his potential. He embarked on a comprehensive training program designed by his company. Throughout his journey, John encountered a blend of traditional methods and modern technological innovations. From classroom workshops to immersive virtual reality sessions, he remained committed to the learning process. His diligence and adaptability allowed him to master new competencies, driving his career forward. After months of consistent effort, John began to see the fruits of his labor. He successfully applied his newly acquired skills in real-world scenarios, earning recognition and praise from his peers and superiors. John's success underscores the importance of effective training practices. It's a testament to how structured and well-executed training programs can turn ambitions into achievements. Stay with us as we explore more personal journeys that highlight the power of effective corporate training. Let's take a look at a typical day in the life of an employee undergoing corporate training. Our journey begins with morning sessions, where employees engage with new concepts and strategies. They dive deep into interactive discussions, absorbing knowledge that bridges theory and practice. Moving into the afternoon, practical application takes center stage. Employees put their newly acquired skills to the test, working on real-life projects and scenarios. This hands-on experience solidifies their understanding and boosts confidence. Throughout the day, employees share their experiences, highlighting the highs and lows of their training. These insights provide a rich tapestry of learning, showcasing the varied outcomes of effective corporate training. By the end of the day, employees feel more equipped, their skill sets broadened, ready to tackle future challenges. Stay tuned for more insights and stories from the world of corporate training. In this segment, we'll dive deep into the world of corporate training through the eyes of industry experts. Their experiences reveal what truly makes training effective. From personalized approaches to innovative methods, these insights are game changers. Experts emphasize the importance of aligning training with the company's goals and culture. Tailoring the content ensures employees are not just learning, but are genuinely engaged and motivated. The future of corporate training is also evolving rapidly with technology. Innovations such as AI-driven learning platforms and virtual reality bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application. These advancements make training more interactive and accessible, paving the way for a new era in corporate education. Learning from these insights and integrating them into our own strategies is crucial. Effective training is not just about imparting knowledge, it fosters an environment where employees can thrive and excel. Join us as we continue to explore these evolving best practices and discover what's next in corporate training. As we come to the end of our comprehensive guide on effective corporate training practices, let's summarize the key points we've covered. We've explored various training methods, from traditional classroom settings to modern e-learning platforms and virtual reality training. We delved into the importance of employee engagement, showing how engaged employees are more likely to absorb training material and apply new skills effectively. We discussed effective skill development strategies, including identifying skill gaps, creating personalized training plans, and fostering a culture of continuous learning. These elements are crucial in building a robust training program that benefits both employees and the organization. As you reflect on these insights, think about how they can be applied within your own corporate environment to drive better results. Stay tuned for our final thoughts and call to action, where we'll encourage you to implement these best practices. Thank you for joining us on this journey through effective corporate training practices. By now, you've learned about various training methods, the significance of employee engagement, and strategies for skill development. We encourage you to implement these best practices in your organization to see real improvement in employee performance and satisfaction. Remember, the key to successful training lies in continuous learning and adapting to new methods. Embrace technology, foster engagement, and continuously measure progress for the best results. We hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights and practical tips to enhance your corporate training programs. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on corporate training and development. Together, we can transform corporate training practices and achieve greater success. Until next time, keep learning and growing.